Alright, well it's testing off as a good battery, it just, you drained it. What the hell? Why are so many damn dishes in my sink?
Hello guys and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Not too long ago I got out of the shower after getting home from school. We stopped at the Dollar General and my battery died, so it is now charging. It's testing off as a good battery is what he said. I just drained it, so hopefully it'll work properly, I guess. I am really needing to do the dishes because I never got to them.
We had to walk home and leave our car.
We had to walk home and leave my car at the Dollar
That was
General.
a long walk.
But it's back now. So I really need to do these dishes. Andrew is complaining about them. So I need to do those. But I think I'm gonna start doing these dishes, and it looks like one has butter or marshmallow on it.
Oh, that was my butter bread because I couldn't get the lid open. It was hard.
But I'm gonna do the dishes. I'm gonna make me some of my crispy chicken, vegan chicken, and 2 burritos, and go upload my Vlogmas Day 7. I think Andrew and I are about to be outside putting on censored.
Wait, he thinks he's a boxer fighting me.
Censored lights. I am eating. Andrew is about to bring an ugly side out of me. He doesn't stop giving me shit. He needs this thing. Here you go.
Oh, it took you a decade.
See, he keeps giving me his shit. Those are the lights. I'm trying to use the espresso machine in the hopes that it's working, but it's not doing anything. I got it right. Okay, well, it failed. It disappointed me, but it tastes really good. It tastes like coffee, but it's better with the froth. Andrew took the dogs outside. I'm on the couch. We're watching whatever this movie Andrew put on. I might finish watching In the Fro as I drink my coffee and then watch this movie in the hopes that it's good. Looks pretty good. I ended up falling asleep on the couch, but I'm gonna end Vlogmas Day 8. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 9. Andrew and I are about to go to bed. Bye.